It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Rd in Edmonton, Alberta. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Terrain Elevation Edition. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Terrain. The driver's door has power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, the child lock button, an auto express window, and the power liftgate button. We've also got some wood grain trim. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a cloth interior with Kalahari stitching in the seats. Next I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and the right side has our audio buttons. This is our digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, place to store your sunglasses, and OnStar. This is GMC's infotainment center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time, and it also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, the park reverse drive buttons. Far left has our engine push start button, some USB ports and power plug-ins, no slip matting, heated front seats, hill descent control, lane departure alert, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and off-road mode. At the front of the Terrain, we've got the darkened grille, LED headlamps, a 1.5-liter turbo engine under the hood, 19-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, darkened Terrain badging down the side. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, black roof rails up top, rear tinted windows. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Darkened elevation badging, the rear window wiper, and the power lift gate. We're going to use the key fob, push that button twice to pop it open. The trunk is quite spacious. We've got cargo hooks, the levers to fold the second row seating down, a power plug-in, and a deeper storage compartment down below. Last, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, that wood grain trim, and door storage. The backs of both front seats have got seat pockets. The back of the center console has rear fans and the USB ports. The middle seat folds down into cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to fold the rear seats down with ease by simply pulling the lever located on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Terrain Elevation Edition today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.